Don't you just hate it when you see someone falling down and you're supposed to be respectful and help them out, asking them you're okay, but then instead you burst out laughing. Now once I was at the bus station and then I saw someone running and they fell down in a quite funny way. Then that time I was holding my laugh so badly that I didn't know what to do. And they went off feeling really upset, and you're just there laughing so badly that even some people are actually staring at you, which is actually really awkward. And sometimes you're just in your house really bored and then you see something just blows your mind. Okay, not really blows your mind, but extra hilarious. I'm saying just in case you guys expect something blows your mind. So there's someone who just sits on a chair and 2 seconds later they fall down on a chair, which is just funny. I didn't even know how to explain it. This more than funny. I don't even know what to say. More than funny. So. And when they stand up, they have that really weird face that just makes you laugh. And how much I laughed, they even stood up, pointing at them and laughing. Then that little kid was just over the top, and then that guy was just acting like he doesn't know what he's doing, and the middle one, who's really innocent, just. So this is the end of our video. Hope you guys enjoyed the falling video, and make sure you guys subscribe, like and comment and join the fun. Bye.